Good morning, everybody. I am on the way to Harley Davidson dealership, my local dealer, to get a new air horn put on my bike. There's the current horn, and that's what it sounds like. We'll see what happens. Some of the other things on my motorcycle, I have those set up on my Harley, and the wig-wag lights there for when I ride in parades. That's about it. I'll take a video when I get home from the dealership and see what happens, see what the horn sounds like when I'm back. Now here's the motorcycle after coming back from the Harley dealership. I'm redoing this video because I should say that this is a ProPad Mini Beast 2 air horn, and I got it from eBay from Eastern Performance out of Maryland. And let's see, turn on here and see what this thing sounds like, even though I did this before. And as I said before, that should get the cager's attention. Cool. These are the boogie lights, I guess they call them, that I got on my bike. I had them put on this year, 2009, at Merricade, Lake George, New York.